Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable the drawer mode on this device. So in this device, if you swipe up, now you can see all the applications. Now the drawer mode is enabled on this device. So you can see the applications on your home screen, and also you can see the application on your app screen also. Okay, so in this device, the drawer mode is enabled. So let me show you how to enable or disable the drawer mode, app drawer on this device. For this, simply press and hold the home screen, tap on settings. Now simply scroll down. Here you can see the option home screen layout. Tap on this one. You can see two type of layouts. You can see home and app screen. It's now selected. So if you want to disable the drawer mode or the app screen, then select the option home screen only. You can see if you select the option home screen only, all your apps will be shown in the home screen. You can also add widget and organize your applications. Tap on apply. Now you can see all the applications on the home screen itself. You can see here. If you swipe up, you can see the app drawer is disabled. Now here I am going to enable this one. For this, simply press and hold the home screen, tap on settings, tap on home screen layout. Here I am going to select the option home and app screen. You can see keep things organized by arranging your widgets and favorite applications on the home screen. All your app will be shown in the app screen. Tap on apply. Now you can see the applications is on the home screen, and also if you swipe up, you can see all the applications. So according to your choice, you can enable or disable the app drawers. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.